Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike Varsity Compete TR2 men's training shoe. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So inside this box is a pair of Nike Varsity Compete TR2 men's training shoes in a UK size 8 or US size 9, and it's in the white black colorway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by lifting up the box flap or lid and taking a look inside. You can see the pair of Nike Varsity Compete TR2 men's training shoes in the white black colorway. Okay, so let's take just one side from the box. Let's start with our traditional left foot side or left foot, and just showing you as it is right here in the UK size 8 or US size 9. And you can see that it does have a very high contrast colorway with the black and white. So let's take a look right round. So the Nike Varsity Compete TR2 is available in very many other colorways. So this one is the white black. And so you can see it does have a very sleek design to it. No unnecessary fussiness to the overall surface and design of the shoe. And taking a closer up look at that EVA midsole with some white speckles all round. And there is some text here on the outside heel counter. And there is a heel tab. The Nike swoosh, of course, on the inside heel counter. And just giving you a much closer up look in terms of the fabric of the Nike Varsity Compete TR2 men's training shoes. So the upper material is made out of durable mesh and synthetic, and it feels very silky, even though it is very finely weaved mesh, as you can see, giving you a very close-up look right there. And on this side it feels like there is some rubber coating for added durability, as that would be a high wear area on the inside foot. And just giving you a look right round. So you can see on this side as well, there is that rubberized texture on the mesh. And towards the midfoot area, there are two straps to provide added lockdown and a tighter fit. So you can see the Nike text and training text on it as well. and the Nike swoosh all along the length of the tongue, and the tongue has some slight padding to it, so providing some nice comfort there with that thin padding along the tongue of the Nike Varsity Compete TR2 men's training shoe. And taking a look inside, we can see what appears to be some random patterns on the insole slip. And along the collar of the shoe, it has a very thin weaved or woven collar. Very low profile pair of training shoes. And taking a look on the outsole or sole of the Nike Varsity Compete TR2 men's training shoe, giving you a look into or on the texture and pattern of the sole. So you can see it does have a rather uniform pattern right there, right across the entire length and width of the shoe. And in terms of material, so it does have a rubber outsole, so giving you some idea, so providing plenty of traction right there. It does flex, but it is mostly stiff with the kind of pointed arrow design. And then of course, once again, the Nike swoosh, and right round, giving you a look as to the depth of the tread. So very low profile in terms of the compound of the entire depth or thickness of the sole. So rubber outsole right here, and then EVA midsole, and of course the synthetic mesh and rubberized upper cover for this pair of training shoe, or at least on the left foot side. So giving you an all-round look. And as I mentioned before, the two midfoot straps there, providing a nice and fitted feel, of course providing that security and lockdown as well. So overall, let's do a twist test on it as well, just giving you some idea as to the flexibility or pliability. And I felt something give. Okay, that's just fine. That's just showing you the mesh flexing. And let me remove the stuffing. And right there, giving you some idea as to the pliability and flexibility of this left side of the Nike Varsity Compete TR2 men's training shoe. And I'm just going to rotate it right round, giving you a complete look at the shoe. And right there, So in terms of weight, it does feel light to medium in weight, more on the lighter side, so fairly light shoe given that the upper cover is mainly synthetic and mesh, and of course it does have a pretty low profile sole as well, given that it is mainly EVA with a layer, as you can see, very thin layer of rubber for the main contact patch or sole of the shoe. So once again giving you a look as to the flex right there. Okay, so now let's pop out the other side, which is the left foot side. I'm just going to move, oh sorry, the right foot side, and that's the left side, and let's pop out and just checking right there and setting the box to the side. So I'm going to set the box right there on the left side of the frame. And now let's take a look at both sides. I'm just going to remove just a tag or slip for the Nike Men's Varsity Compete TR2 training shoe and show you both together. So the pair right here in the white black colorway. So looking very fresh with that high contrast of black on white. So very interestingly, with that lacing system, with the pair of midfoot straps, providing lockdown and a secure fit, and doing away with the multiple lace holes or eyelets. And let's see if I can hold the pair together and give you a close-up look. So right there. Top down and giving you a close-up look to this pair. Let's orientate it this way. So right there. Looking at the pair. Close up, and of course on the underside as well with that rubber sole. So this pair of training shoes are designed for traction, stability and speed, and of course agility as well. So it's an all-round pair of training shoes given its lightweight and stable design and providing that fitted and secure feel when it comes to sprints and running as well, with that lockdown of the two midfoot straps. And just giving you a look at the back as well. Don't think I showed enough of the heel and back of the shoe. So that's the Nike Varsity Compete TR2 men's training shoe. Thanks for watching and happy training!